In this video, I'm going to show you how to download all files from Google Drive at once. So doing this may actually sound hard, but it's actually really easy. So what we can do is you can see in here all of the files that I have. As you can see, I only have a few and it's only worth around 25.8 megabytes. What we can do is you can select one, and once you have selected one, you can click on the Control A on your keyboard in order to select all of the items that you have on your Google Drive. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this icon. So this icon is the download icon. So head over and click on it. Now in here, as you can see, this will actually zip all the files that we have selected. So this means that this will collect all of them in order to have them in one particular folder. You can find it right around here on our actual drive download. As you can see, its size is 25.8 megabytes and it's the same as the storage that we have right here, which means that we have successfully downloaded all of the files that we need. So that's how you download all files from Google Drive at once.